One, good. Okay guys, continuing on with our maintenance that we've been talking about, next item is going to be our slide out. When we're looking at our slide out seals, these are very important to us. This is what keeps the elements out from coming in. So if we open up our slide and our seal isn't flipped properly, let's say it appears like that, we just simply take our fingers up from in behind, gently pull our seal back out into place so it sits flat against the trailer the way it was designed to do so. Now, to keep these seals soft, pliable, and moving, what we apply here on a regular basis is going to be our rubber seal conditioner. It comes out much the same as your glass cleaner does. A bit of a foam, it's just a matter of applying it to it, allowing it to absorb into the rubber and wiping off any excess. Next item as we're working, as part of our routine maintenance, we're going to have a look at the underside of the slide out and the mechanisms that are down below here. What we're looking at here is the drive mechanism that's on the trailer itself, that gear pack, as well as these arms and this teethed area just underneath. What we're going to use to treat that is our slide out lubrication. What we're going to do is we're going to apply some lubrication to that gear pack, the surfaces of this bar, and then this teethed area. If that teethed area is all scaly and rusty, what we want to do is a wire brush, take the scale off, then apply some lubrication. It's just as simple as spraying in at the gear pack, all down the surface, as well as the teeth underneath. From there, we would simply run the slide out in and out to ensure that we've lubricated everything.